My name is Shamaiah Turner, and I'm a journey person out of Local 17 in Boston. You are cordially invited to the Smart Women's Happy Hour taking place Saturday, March 13th from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can find the Eventbrite link below. So a little bit about me. In my former life, I used to be a bartender and a server, making $2.13 an hour, no healthcare, no benefits, just tips. Until one day in 2012, I became a sheet metal worker, which is my absolute dream job. But I still know how to make a mean cocktail. So today, in honor of our favorite icon, Rosie, we're going to be making something I like to call the Riveter's Revel. What you're going to need is 1 lime, a little mint, your favorite ginger beer, some pomegranate juice, and if it's been that kind of day, a little vodka. What you want to do is grab yourself a little bit of ice, half a lime. We all know we got strong hands from those snips and those vice grips. Squeeze that lime. Fill the cup halfway with your ginger beer. Give yourself about 2 ounces of pomegranate juice. And again, just take the edge off, and if you're over 21, give yourself an ounce of vodka. Then, you want to stir it up a little bit. Make sure that lime juice gets mixed in with all those other ingredients. Get yourself a sprig of mint, a 1/4 cut of lime. Add yourself some garnish, and bottoms up. Enjoy.